Hi, welcome, Marianne here, and I have a quick unboxing. I did some Black Friday shopping for myself, and I got one product from one company because it was for myself. It was something I've been wanting, and it was from Jeffree. I'm not going to include it in my Vlogmas because I'm sharing about the Bible, and as much as I like Jeffree Cosmetics, a lot of his names are pretty vulgar and just inappropriate. But always remember, beauty's on the inside. So it's what's on the inside that's important here right now. We're just going to ignore all the filth. Okay? I'm not that kind of girl. Just to set that straight. So I got my pretty pink box, but I ripped the tape off. And so it took some of the pink color off. So we're just going to open it up. And there's some Christmas snowflake tissue. Oh, it's so pretty. And it has little, the glitter looks like it's embossed into the paper, so I'm not going to have glitter everywhere. I quit buying glitter decorations and stuff because I don't like glitter all over myself. So what did I get inside? I got... That's fine, nobody's over there. I got the Orgy palette. Remember, if you saw my other video when I went to Nordstrom Rack, I got the cremated palette, but they didn't have the Orgy palette, and I can't remember what I paid for this one. It was, I think, $32 or $34 or $37. $30-something dollars instead of $62. But this is the one that I was hoping to get in my mystery boxes, and I didn't, but it's the Orgy palette. But let's forget about the name. And, oh, this is the box. I gotta take it out of the box. So this is the box. It looks like there's stuff all over it. Anyway. It's all the... Let me block the light. It's all the beautiful colors. See? It's beauty's on the inside. And there's like fingerprints all over this thing. Somebody, like... I don't know if this is from when they made the box. It looks like it... Oh no, that's somebody's... Oh, it's my fingerprints. Okay. It's because I had lotion on my hands. I did that. Yeah, that's me. That's me and my fingerprints. I'll have to... Oh, it comes off. Okay. I'm the one messing it up. Because I got lotion on my hands. It wipes off. Okay, let's just wipe it off. So pretty. But remember, its beauty is what's on the inside. So I love it. I don't like looking at Jeffree Star's butt, but that's what I was hoping to make it so. But they're the kind of colors for an old gal like me. With brown eyes. This is my perfect palette. My perfect palette. And that's why I treated myself to it. It's my birthday this month. Excuse me. I'm going down. The box. Okay. It's my birthday month. So I usually treat myself to something. Because I'll get some cash. But it'll be later on my birthday. That's usually what I get for my birthday. So, I go and I do my own shopping, and that's what I wanted, that's what I got, and I love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.